The COMFEE Retro Red Microwave is a charming and useful addition to any kitchen. It brings a pop of color with its vibrant red finish. This microwave has a retro design that looks really cool. It also has modern features that make cooking easy. You can choose from 9 preset programs for different foods. This makes cooking simpler, and you don't have to guess cooking times. The 0.9 cubic feet size is compact, so it won't take up too much counter space. This COMFEE Retro Red Microwave offers more than just good looks. It has multi-stage cooking, which lets you program different cooking times and power levels. There's also a mute function, so you can heat food quietly. The LED digital display is easy to read. This microwave operates at 900 W, providing enough power for most cooking needs. For those who value peace and quiet, the mute function is a great feature. It allows you to heat late-night snacks without disturbing anyone. Overall, the COMFEE Retro Red Microwave is a great little appliance. It combines style and functionality in a compact package. The preset programs make it easy to cook various items. The multi-stage cooking adds versatility to your cooking methods. If you want a microwave that looks good and works well, this could be it. It's a solid choice for small kitchens, apartments, or even offices. You'll find it easy to use and appreciate its retro charm. Pros: retro design, small size, 9 preset programs, multi-stage cooking, mute function, LED digital display, 900 watt power, compact, easy to use, child safety lock. Cons: may need longer cook times, timer can be unintuitive, build quality concerns noted. Inside, paint may flake, rust, uneven heating possible, not ideal for frozen food. Advertised size inaccurate, side panel can get hot, loud beeping for some, only 1-year warranty. Features: retro design, small, compact size, 0.9 cubic feet capacity, 9 preset programs, multi-stage cooking, mute function, LED digital display, red color, 900 watt power, countertop use. The COMFEE Retro Oven is a small and stylish red microwave that fits on your kitchen counter. It has a 0.9 cubic feet space inside, which is good for its size. It comes with 9 simple cooking programs to help you cook different foods easily. You can even cook in stages, using different settings one after the other. It has a mute button to turn off the sound, and a digital LED screen. This 900 watt microwave is designed to look retro and is easy to use. The COMFEE Retro Microwave is a small, red, 900 watt microwave with a retro look and a 0.9 cubic feet inside. It has 9 settings for different foods and can cook in stages. It has a quiet mode, a digital clock, and is easy to use. There's also a lock to keep kids safe. Some people might need to cook food longer, and the timer might be a little confusing. Some have worried about how well it's made, and the inside paint might chip or rust sometimes. Food might not heat evenly, and it might not be the best for frozen food. The size listed might not be totally correct, and the sides can get hot. The beeping sound can be loud for some, and it only has a 1-year warranty.